Okay.
The Hyman game.
Well, we are about to leave to go watch Hyman play. I don't know. But look at my trendy outfit.
Okay, this is Chandra.
My shoes.
I am about ready to go use the bathroom.
How do you know about that?
This is Brittany before I go into the bathroom.
Huh?
Brittany! I'm going to the bathroom.
Shader, don't! She's taking my camcorder.
Here I am. I'm in the hallway. I am in the bathroom right now. Locking the door, as you see. Me in the mirror. See, and here's the toilet I'll be sitting on. This is so funny. Now I am peeing. I feel so much better. Now I am about ready to. Andrea! Where's the toilet paper? I found it! I feel so much better now that I've actually peed. Now, down there is my pee, and I am flushing it right now. There's my door. And there's me in the mirror. So refreshing. I'm going out right now. Oh my God, you want to watch it now?
Katie.